Assalamualaikum दोस्तों, welcome to Dietitian Elsa. आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सारे essential vitamins, especially vitamin B complex or fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K. हम देखेंगे इनका काम function, natural sources, और इनकी कमी से होने वाली बीमारियां, deficiency diseases. Let's get started. Part 1. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. 1. Vitamin A, retinol. Function, eyesight, immune health, skin glow. Sources, carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, eggs, milk. Deficiency, night blindness, Ratko and the pan. Dry skin, weak immunity. 2. Vitamin D, sunshine vitamin. Function, bone health, calcium absorption. Sources, sunlight, fatty fish, fortified milk, egg yolk. Deficiency, rickets, butchermane, osteomalacia, adults main soft bones. 3. Vitamin E, tocopherol. Function, skin glow, anti-aging, antioxidant. Sources, almonds, sunflower oil, spinach, seeds. Deficiency, rare, muscle weakness, dry skin, fertility issues. 4. Vitamin K. Function, blood clotting. Sources, green leafy vegetables, broccoli, cabbage. Deficiency, excessive bleeding. Blood won't clot easily. Part 2. Vitamin B complex, water soluble. ये 8 अलग-अलग types हैं, हर एक का role और कमी की बीमारी मुख्तलिफ होती है. 1. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Function, nerve health, energy. Sources, whole grains, nuts, beans. Deficiency, beriberi, weakness, nerve issues. 2. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Function, energy production, healthy skin. Sources, milk, eggs, green veggies. Deficiency, cracked lips, sore throat. 3. Vitamin B3, niacin. Function, digestion, nerve function, skin. Sources, chicken, fish, peanuts. Deficiency, pellagra, diarrhea, dermatitis, dementia. 4. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. Function, hormone and red blood cell production. Sources, mushrooms, avocados, chicken. Deficiency, rare, fatigue, numbness. 5. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Function, brain development, mood regulation. Sources, bananas, potatoes, fish. Deficiency, irritability, confusion, anemia. 6. Vitamin B7, biotin. Function, hair, skin and nails health. Sources, egg yolk, nuts, seeds. Deficiency, hair fall, skin rash. 7. Vitamin B9, folic acid. Function, DNA synthesis, important for pregnancy. Sources, spinach, lentils, citrus fruits. Deficiency, birth defects, anemia. 8. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Function, nerve cells and blood production. Sources, meat, fish, dairy, not in plant foods. Deficiency, pernicious anemia, memory loss, fatigue. Part 3. Tips and closing. Remember, daily balanced diet लेना ज़रूरी है ताकि vitamins की कमी ना हो. हर vitamin की अपनी importance है और अगर body में उनकी कमी हो जाए तो कई serious problems हो सकती हैं. Supplement सिर्फ डॉक्टर की मशवरे से लें. Call to action. Call to action. अगर आपको ये वीडियो informative लगी हो तो like करें, share करें और Dietitian Elsa को subscribe ज़रूर करें. मिलते हैं next video.